Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm going to be doing an installation also. This is a TCL D2 Pro, a palm vein smart lock. I've never heard of one of these before, as far as like it uses the veins in your palm to do a reading. Okay, cool. We got the instruction manual there. And accessory kit, check that out real quick. All right, we got keys. Heavy duty lock there. All the stuff we need, screws, keys, bolt. This can be unlocked with the palm vein, with the app, with these, with the keys. Pretty sweet. Palm vein is actually supposed to be more unique to a person than like a fingerprint is, or something more reliable or whatever. So I've never heard of a palm vein scanner or anything like that. So check that out. There's the front of it. That's pretty sweet. Auto human recognition by human detection. Auto recognition by human detection. So basically, the thumbprint ones are kind of cool, kind of nice. But if you guys have had these before and you've had your hand wet or something, and you try, maybe it's raining outside or something like that, and you try to push it doesn't work. So you got to try to dry off your thumbprint, your fingerprint or whatever to make it work. With this, supposedly we can just hold our hand up here and just gonna read it. So that's really cool. So we have that. Under here, I believe we have is the touch screen, cool also. So very nice. And what is this? Our rechargeable battery? Yeah, I like that. So all the other locks I've done before, I've had like AAA batteries or something like that. This is a 10,000 milliamp hours battery. So this is legit. This is gonna last a long time. I have other locks that I've used with like AAA batteries in it, like 3 of them, and they all last a long time. So this will last, man. Technically, this should last like a year or more. So pretty sweet. Let's just go install this, shall we? Okay, friends, well, we got the door right here. Let's get this installed. So the first thing we're gonna do, get the deadbolt in here, make sure the up is facing upwards. I'm just gonna put that right in there like this. Should go in nicely. And we have a couple screws that it came with. These little guys right here, the little silver ones. Just stick those in there real quick. Okay, there's one. And then 2, good to go on that. Next thing we're gonna do, this has a little hole right here. I'm gonna feed that through the hole, feed this metal bar through that portion right there. Just like that, that holds on there. And we see that it's coming through right there also, okay? This one, the mounting plate, is gonna go on this way. These 2 long screws go through here, and they're gonna go through the 2 holes on the front of this as well. So we're gonna feed this wire through here. These holes are gonna go all the way over to there. And then we're gonna try to perhaps get these started with, okay, that one's going in hand tightened. Okay. We should be able to, once these are going, if you can't hand tighten them, just back it out a little bit, and then there we go. Okay, there we are. If it's not being able to hand tighten, then you're probably stripping it, so you don't want to do that. Don't do one all the way tight. There we go. Make sure that moves smoothly. Looks pretty good. We still have that little bump is up right there. So there is a little bump that goes through there. That's going to be on the up position. It looks like that's perfect. Okay, I didn't change the striker plate. I already had the old one in here, and this has got like 4 big old screws in there. Let's see. So we have the plug-in is lower right. So I believe I'm going to find out for sure if this plugs in here or there. Okay, it should plug in right to this one right here. And should only go in one way. So I have to kind of get this close down by, and kind of press it in there. It clicks into place. The rest of this wire should just kind of snug around there. And then we want to make sure that we get that metal bar pushed into the center of that. So it should just go something like that. Okay, perfect. All right, now that that is on there, we got these 2 screws they gave us, and those should go right into the little housing thing, I think. On there somewhere. All right, so yep, those should go through. It might be a little difficult to line up here, so it's not lining up. Okay, so these could be a little difficult to get on there. Just see where they kind of poke through. Make sure your thing is lined up correctly. Still not. Okay. Let's use a little trick here. Okay, so I kind of looked through there to see where the hole was, and I just got it in there. And this other one should line up nicely then. Should being the operative word. There we go. Just give a little bit of a press. Okay, very easy to do. The battery has a little USB-C charging port right there. Turn it this way so the leads go in there. Perfect. Slide that into place. Look at that. See if it locks. Boom. That was very nice. That was, oops. I guess I'll straighten that out. It's going to bother me a little bit if that isn't perfect. Boom, we're locked out. Now we simply can use, let's take this out.
Download the TCL Home app and add the door lock.
All right, we'll try out the keys real quick here. Nice, look how smooth that is, very nice. Okay friends, I have the TCL app right here. It's searching for devices. It found the D2 Pro. Simply click on there. And it says long press the set button for 5 seconds until the voice prompt. Okay, so we're going to do that. So just take off the cover and press that.
Ready for setup.
It says ready for setup. Okay, it's connecting the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected successfully.
All right. Okay, and please close. Ensure the door lock has been installed and close the door. Lock indoors for calibration. I've closed and locked the door. Okay, close it, lock it, and click that, and start calibration. It just unlocked, and it locked again.
Calibration completed.
Okay, so now we can create a master password. We'll do that. Let's just cancel that for now. So we can lock it. Tells the battery life here. Long press to unlock. So you can't accidentally do it. That's cool.
Unlocked.
Very sweet. Just unlocked it and locked it. You can do user management, events. Let's do user management. That's me, the admin. I'm going to add a palm vein now. Okay, so let's do that, or should we add the cards? I'm going to add the cards. So just press add the card, and then hold your key next to the recognition area to enroll, and hit next.
Please hold card near the recognition area. Added successfully.
Oh, that was super easy. So I just pressed it over there and added it. Okay, so we got the card, master ID. Let's add a palm vein. Ooh. Please wait for the red light on the palm vein reader to turn on. Place your palm in front of the reader to enroll. During process, other features will be disabled. Okay. I'm going to hit next. Wait for the red light.
Hold your palm steadily over the scanner until enrollment succeeds. Added successfully.
Oh, what? I felt like heat in my hand there. That was easy. So I added that. We got the key. We got the app. We got the passcodes, the cards, all that. All right, let's check it out here. All right, friends, I have that set up now. And now we're going to lock the door here. Now,
Door locked.
locks it. Now I try to open it. It's definitely locked. Okay, press that. Put my hand over it.
Door unlocked.
And we're ready to go. That's sweet. All right, let's lock it again. Let's
Door locked.
definitely locked. Let me use my card here. Look at that.
Door unlocked.
So easy. I like the little doorbell. How cool is that? It's very cool. All this is, all right, so if I'm coming up here and let me see, what if my palm is wet? Let me try something. All right, lock the door there.
Locked.
And now let's see. See, I got water all over my hand here.
Door unlocked.
Okay, unlocked. I was too close. So I'm getting the hang of this thing here. So let's lock it.
Door locked.
So door is locked. Hey, Boogie. And then we want to unlock it. So we just walk up to it basically. Oh my goodness. See how easy that was? I was going too close before. So just kind of right out here. I'm like maybe like 10 inches away. Look at that. And my hand was completely wet here. So that is super cool. That's so easy to unlock. Let me try my other hand though. Maybe I don't want to like accidentally go in. I don't want to accidentally like unlock it, you know? So hold that down. All right, so
Door locked.
what I like is that little hand thing will come on. You lock it and then the palm vein light will basically come on there, it looks like. So it senses like people coming. So what if I try to use this hand? Nope. Try to use this hand? Nope. All right, but how about this one? Oh.
Door unlocked.
How cool is that, guys? Well, friends, as we can see, I mean, this thing was super easy to set up. Take you just a few minutes, honestly. Even if you've never done one before, it's very simple. This thing is very user-friendly. I like the battery pack. That's going to last forever. The palm thing, I was a little skeptical at first. I was doing a little too close at first. It's not real, you won't really close. It's about this far away and it just reads it automatically. It's so cool. No more worrying about wet fingerprints and like, oh, I can't open it because, you know, or whatever. Or maybe you got a scratch on your finger and now you can't open it. The palm thing is super cool. I like the built-in doorbell feature. This thing is very impressive. The open close button here, you can press here. Very smooth. gives you like it tells you the voice prompts too. So I like that a lot. This thing seems really sturdy as well. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it, guys. Thanks for watching this review. Like, so if you want to use, man, you got the keys, you got the cards, you got the passcode, you got the app, and you got your palm. So tons of different things you can use. Even if you're old school and you just want a nice lock, you can still use the traditional keys with this. So this is cool. I'm just really impressed with it. Very nice technology, worked excellently. I couldn't fool it with my other hand or anything like that. So pretty sweet. The app is very user-friendly, easy to set up, easy to work with. This does work on 2.4 gigahertz, not 5G, 2.4G for your Wi-Fi. So that's to note that. Yeah, this thing is really nice. I'm really impressed with it. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. You guys all have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.